Okay, welcome. We're doing question 3, 4, and possibly 5 here. Let's see what the time is. It's 2 marks, so let's see how we do this. Highest common factor. Right. Most of us really get confused between factors and multiples. I look at factors as being the fathers of numbers. So they're the ones that created these numbers. So what number created 72 and 90? To do that is a really nice method. They call it the ladder method. Okay, and you don't have to over worry about things. You say, right, okay, what goes into 72 and to 90? And you don't have to panic. You don't have to think of a big number. If you want to think, well, just 2, that's cool because that doubles. That's nice and easy. And then I think what goes into 36 and 45? Right, now, the nice thing about the multiples of 9 are they add up to 9. That adds up to 9, that adds up to 9. So therefore 9 goes into both these. And hopefully you can see that. Now, what's nice about this, not only does it give you the HCF, but it also gives you the LCM. The question only wants the highest common factor. And these two are factors, but multiplying them together gives us the highest common factor of 18. Kind of neat way of doing it. So that ladder method is really, really important. So make sure you know how to do that. Right, now we get to question 4 here. And apologies, the question you got missed out the last line on this. Right, the diagram shows the plan, front elevation and side elevation of a shape, a solid shape drawn on a centimetre grid. Now, why they're saying centimetre grid is because if you read here, it says give the dimensions of the solid on your sketch. Now, in the question you did, I think we cut that bit out, okay? So you need 2 marks, one for sketching it and one for then putting the dimensions on. How on earth do I sketch something like this? Well, remember, a plan is what we call a bird's eye view. Imagine seeing it from the top. And then the front is like a front of a house and the side of a house. So you've got to think, at the top, that's what it looks like. So the way I do this is I simply sketch, not a full circle, a flat circle like that, as if I'm looking at the top down. So it's squashed it down. And then on the side and front, I'm going to see like this, and lo and behold, you can see it's a can. Oopsie daisy, make it look better. It's only a sketch, so there we go. But I need to put the dimensions in. So I need to count, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 5 centimetres. And I'm going to put the diameter across here. You can see I've done the diameter there, and that I can see is 4. So that's 4 centimetres. And I don't think I need to do any more than that. Okay, so let's now go to the next question. Question 5. Oh, wow, look at that, big page. It says here, shape A can be transformed. Transformed is a whole range of things. You can do translation, enlargement, rotation, reflection. They're all forms of transformation. This one says it's a reflection in the x-axis. Now, if you forget which is the x-axis, that's really common. We all make mistakes like that. The x-axis is labelled here as x. And so what I'm doing, it says shape A can be transformed to shape B by reflection in the x-axis, followed by a translation. Now, translation simply moves shape, doesn't it? And here, the top one moves it right or left, and the bottom up or down. So I need to, first of all, reflect it. Now, you've got, you can use mirror lines, you can use tracing papers, but in this particular instance, I don't think it's overly difficult. And you can see how it goes, like this. So that's my new shape. Now I've got to translate that across to here. And literally I'm going to take one point, that point there, and I know I'm not going to the right, I'm going to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's minus 6, because I'm going to the left, and then I'm dropping down 1. So it's minus 1. Now, that's question 5. If I look, that's 3 marks, 2 marks, 2 marks. So what's that? 7 marks so far. And 5 marks, that's 12 marks. And 4 marks, that's 16 marks. You're now into grade 4. Just those ones will give you a grade 4 most likely. We don't definitely know, but it's fair certain that that would be a level 4. And now we're heading for a level 5. We want to get in the high 20s, mid 20s to get a 5. So let's see what happens. Question. Well, actually, stop there, and then we go on to question 6. Next slide.